Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Gmail. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Gmail, so please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the web browser on your device and tap Sign In. Now select the account you want to sign into and enter your password. If you forget your password, tap the Forgot Password link and reset your password. When done, tap Next. A message will pop up on your phone to verify the login. So tap Yes, it's me. And that's how you log in to Gmail. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.